When you're working with OCD, you have to start, number one, with identifying the obsessions and specifically the compulsions. Identifying your client's compulsions is essential to cracking the code, to figuring out the best way through with exposure and response prevention. So, common compulsions are, I'm going to talk about the internal ones first. These are the ones that are going on inside your client's heads. They might be sensation checking in their body. They might be thought checking. They might be having a thought and then seeing how they feel, like feeling checking, because if they're disgusted, then it means they're okay. They might be seeking reassurance internally, like checking feelings if they love their partner, so that would be like a reassurance checking. People do a lot of things internally and they're like, no, I'm not doing anything, but they really are. So checking their internal compulsions, very, very important. External compulsions, hand washing, cleaning, avoidance. Avoidance is a big one. Avoiding something that triggers their OCD. Safety checking, like checking windows, doors. They might even put, like, if they're afraid of knives, put a knife away so they can't see it. People do all kinds of things externally. Also, reassurance checking with other people. So calling, reassurance checking, checking online, seeing what they wrote, checking emails, any sort of writing. Count. So this can be internal, external. They count in their head. Maybe they tap, they touch. They might check for the right thought when they walk through an area. They might do a just right type of compulsion where everything has to look right in their environment. They might research, check on the news for different facts to see if what they're worried about is, or what they're obsessing about is real. But it's researching, any sort of researching. Just remember, for every human, there is their own special compulsion that they put together. Maybe it's 3 different ones. So you're just trying to be curious to figure out what it is. Your curiosity is your best friend. It makes your client feel cared for, like attuned to, understood. And if you can, look at the neurological differences that might be contributing to their OCD. Are they a detail-driven brain? Do they have an acute sense of sound that leads to their obsession or compulsions? Is there a visual acuity, like they are hawks at what they see in the world, right? And so these are the things that bother them or that they obsess about. Often our neurological differences contribute to what we are obsessing about. I hope this is helpful.